What?
Cherry.
Right, are we ready, Mum?
I think so.
Take a cheap cherry.
I'll carry your juice.
Okay. Cheap cherry. Cheap cherry.
This chair.
Cheap cherry.
I'll wait
Wait
there.
for Dad.
Wait for Dad.
Okay. I'm going
Right. Go on. Wow!
Has he had his mince pie?
Yeah.
Has Rudolph ate his carrot?
Yeah.
Go and have a look at it. Have a look at the carrot.
It's gone.
Wow!
Still walk.
I think they're Mummy's and Daddy's ones there.
Yeah.
All yours. Oh, I think all yours are by the fire, aren't they? In your Santa sack.
Yeah, I hope he got me that Santa chocolate. He got me everything that I want on Christmas Day.
Wow!